Hey y'all, it's Night and my skin looking good. This blonde wig in my hair. Yes, it is synthetic sadly, but this shit about to look like a motherfucking human wig on me, sweetheart.
Stack that bitch up, mate.
Let's mind our business. So what we're gonna do right now is braid all our hair back. And yeah. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I'm like almost done. Cause I'm about to really just braid all this shit back. And it's hot as fuck in her bathroom, so they hear me breathing like this because I'm out of breath because I'm hot. So yeah, I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so I braided all my hair because you guys, so what I'm doing right here is just brushing all my hair down because mind you, it is blonde. We don't want any black hair showing. So just make sure you brush all your hair back. I'm about to take this cap because we're about to put a blonde wig on. Like I said, we don't want That's what you're not about to do, is record me looking like this. And as y'all can see, I am just getting this Got To Be glue spray and spraying it over my cap where I want to cut the wig cap at. So yeah, don't use any like Got To Be glue, whatever. This is a method that I found was easiest for me. So if the glue is harder for you, I recommend using the spray. Cause I be in now. And I would have the fucking blow dryer in a whole different bathroom. Cause I couldn't breathe. Cause I be here. I'm about to go get a blow dryer. I'll be back. I'm about to dry this shit up. Let me do that right there real quick. Yeah, I'm about to dry this shit up though. I'm gonna come back when I blow dry this shit. All right, y'all. I had to sit in front of the fan because my fucking blow dryer wanna go out when I'm doing this kind of video, but let's get into it, I guess. Wait, I wanna put this concealer on top of my hair. Do we not have like a, oh, we do got a sponge, bet. It on accident, and it's because this wig is the middle part, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go like this type shit too. I'm gonna be back, so I want to make sure this makeup dried on my face. Like, I'm gonna cut this shit. Oh fuck. I be playing way too much. Ah. Whoo! Let me just go ahead and, this shit hurt. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, yeah, I normally don't even use caps, but like this shit hurt. Shit. I can't even lie. Like, this shit was hurting. Now, let me figure out. But this is what the fuck I'm worried about. These, y'all. Y'all. Let me just focus on this side before I just start doing shit. If all I knew was I needed this got to be glue spray to lay my, ooh, I know y'all fucking heard that shit. Ooh, ugh. I can't even lie. I'm low-key lit because I never had no shit like this, stuff like this. And then all I'm gonna have to do is just like, I don't want this up close to my brow because I already be looking like I ain't got no forehead. Oh. All right, so I'm like, how did I start like that? Yeah, if I'm overcutting, I don't care. I'm gonna leave it like this though. Y'all, so this is boat hold. I'm finna just take it and put it all around my head. Y'all, I fucking hate this glue. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I fucking hate this glue. I fucking hate this glue. But we gonna do this shit. Yeah, so I did apply like a pretty thick layer. I didn't go over it like 2-3 times because this is a synthetic wig. It's not staying in my head too long. But I did just get like something else to smoothen it out. And I only did one side because I wanted to like make sure I gave each side like a proper time to go on there and melt. But we're gonna do that. Let this dry off. I'm gonna come back to y'all 4 minutes for this. And normally y'all, I do be rushing my hair. And I do be rushing my hair, y'all, and I be fucking up. But I decided to actually wait 4 minutes for y'all because I didn't want to fuck this hairstyle up and it's blonde, you know? So it's like, let me just do this shit the right way and not rush. So I'm about to just, this is how the wig came. It came with this little snap and these clips. So I'm about to just go ahead and put that on the back of my head and pull this wig forward because I want this shit to, ooh, sweet thing. Who y'all trying to have me feel like? Oh my God. I play way too much. Like, girl, not sweet thing, but for real, sweet thing. Sweet thing. I'm fucking lit, bitch. I'm fucking lit, y'all, because for one, I know it look like ramen noodles right now, y'all, but I'm about to fix this shit up, like, for real. My cousin talking about something, you should just let it stay like this. Fuck no. I'm gonna do the style I wanna do with it. Y'all gonna see. And yes, I am using this ponytail holder because I don't got no rubber bands. Like y'all. Now let's go ahead and we're gonna just repeat the process on this side. So y'all going to see me repeat the process. Yeah, so I did do the same thing on my other side, and I did apply like a really thick layer of glue towards the bottom by like where my sideburn was at, but I ended up taking some of that off because I didn't like that because I already don't have no forehead. So it's like I need to at least look like I got some forehead when I'm done with this shit. So I end up taking some glue off. I low-key don't want, oh shit, I low-key don't want that much, yeah, I don't want that much glue. Fuck. I'm gonna fix this glue, y'all, because I don't want that much down my face. And I'm gonna get back to y'all. So this side isn't completely like clear yet, but I'm still gonna pull it over. Cause I told you I'd be rushing this shit. So if this side come out fucked up and I don't repost a video on this hairstyle, tell y'all know fucking why. So now what we gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and like basically let this sit for like I'll probably let this sit for like 5 minutes. Probably call a few friends or something. I'm so annoying, y'all. But I'm gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes because I want this shit to get it together because I'm gonna cut the lace after. All right, y'all. So now I'm taking my scarf off. That's the fucking look we're going for. And I'm gonna just like, you know, cut the lace like this type shit. And then I'm gonna go in with my razor behind, behind it. And don't talk shit, fuck y'all. Nah, but I know the scissors I was using was big, so but those are like the only like really good ones we have in the house, so that's why I was using that one. I am about to go back in with the razor though, just so I can have like more of a cleaner cut. That's what y'all about to see me do in a minute. Y'all know what the fuck I forgot to do was put fucking, oh my god, I forgot to fucking put concealer on my wig. I'm like, why this shit so white looking? I am sick. That is annoying. Annoying as fuck. I'm just gonna go in afterwards and put it on there because I'll be fucking damned. I cut it the same way on the other side, so that's why I cut it out, because it was extra minutes. Yeah. Cause this shit is hella bomb. But I forgot to put fucking concealer. But look at that. Alright, my foundation, and I'm putting this shit on here. Yeah, I'm dumb as fuck. I didn't even show y'all me putting on the concealer, but it's okay. Like, I'll show y'all if y'all want me to show y'all later on, but my apologies. Never mind, it looks like I ended up showing y'all anyways. But yeah, so what I did was I just put it like right on my lace, and then I did go kind of like where the lace was thinned out at, just so it was like blend out, because I didn't like it. It looked white. Like the wig looked really good, but it looked white, and I know if I would have put the foundation on the inside it would have looked better, but it's okay because I ended up fixing this shit. Y'all gonna see. Okay. I don't know, this shit still look hella good though. I'm out crying. Not crying, but y'all know. In my feelings. Yeah, so I'm like really excited though. Like, I think this is really cute. I'm gonna like, after the end of the video, I'm definitely gonna do my eyebrows and lashes, because I have like a lighter brow. That I'm gonna put on and come talk to y'all with, because this is really dark still. But this hair is super cute, you guys. I'm gonna comb these out so it look more like a wave than like fucking ramen. But I love it. Like, I don't know. But right now, y'all, I'm just curling these up. I don't have a small one, so fuck y'all. I know y'all gonna get off here talking shit. And don't talk shit about my hair too first. I'm excited, y'all. Like, I'm hella excited. And I am going to like gonna push this like this type shit. Oh, I got a hot comb. I'm tripping. Where's it at though? Shit on my eye. So I'm just curling these pieces back. And I'm basically do the same part to this side, y'all, and I'm gonna hot comb this down, and yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done and do my eyebrows and stuff. All right, y'all, this is the final fucking look, y'all, and I'm just here to say that I fucking love it. I love it. I love it. And this is no flitter. This is no flitter. No flitter. No flitter, bitch. No flitter. Yes. Y'all, these ends is fucking nappy. I think I'm gonna get these though and probably like go like this, giving Rapunzel. I don't know, but yeah, like I love it, y'all. Like this shit's hella fucking cute. I'm gonna have to recrimp like the bottom of this hair, but I love it. And I got this at my local beauty supply store. And I fucking love it. Like, when you do your own shit. When you do your own shit. Yeah. Yeah. This shit look good. I really want my brows to be a little bit lighter, but that's okay. I love it. Because it's the season. But alright, y'all have a good fucking day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, because y'all really be seeing me struggling in real life. Like, this is really me. I'd really be struggling doing certain shit. Like, I be acting like I don't be struggling, but I be fucking struggling. And this is my first time like really putting on a cap, y'all. I tried to make a video before for y'all. This is my first time really putting on a cap and really actually doing it good as fuck. Like, my first time, I swear to God. I swear to God, I'm so happy with myself. Round of applause for Naya. Yeah, me. But y'all have a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and turn post notifications on for me, because you know it's Naya Tre'Shay. I've been posting videos for y'all like every week, so y'all be fucking back and tune in.